This session is on the ebook. The ebook you purchased from me. So just little thing I will told you about this ebook. Then how can we apply these concepts in the market? So before applying these concepts, you must know some basic concepts. Okay. On the first page, written price action book. But when you scroll down, you will find the lessons. Before if you do not familiar about the candlestick, then you read about this candlestick formation and development. After understanding this formation and development, then you start from the ranges, candlestick ranges. These ranges tells us that which candle is strong and which candle is bullish candle and which candle is neutral and which are less bullish or bearish. Same concept for the green candles and same concept for the bearish candlestick. So it's necessary that we can understand about these candlestick uh, formations, that which candles are strong and which candles are only uh, bullish or bearish candles. So the second thing, you understand about the candlestick ranges, and third, after when you understand about the candlestick formation, development, and candlestick ranges, then you can start from the first lesson. The first lesson is hammer, inverted hammer, and shooting star. So before applying these rules, these candles and trading on these candlesticks, you must understand about these levels. So levels are the support and resistance levels. These levels can be round numbers. These levels can be moving averages, and these levels can be any like Bollinger Band, fractals, something like else. Okay. It means it's necessary to understand the levels. Without levels, without support and resistance concept, you cannot apply, you cannot trade correctly to these patterns. Okay. After these, when you found these patterns, so it means if you are familiar about these patterns and you know the names and know the formation about these patterns, then you can find these patterns in the trend. If you found these patterns in the uptrend, if you found these patterns in the downtrend, if it is the middle of the trend, so everywhere rule is same for trading. Just you understand where this pattern is appear and how we can trade. In the next slide, I clear everything in this slide. There are 16 opportunities to trade these hammers and inverted hammers. Then how can we trade these hammers and inverted hammers? First of all, understand this concept. I will give you one concept about the support and resistance level. Okay, just got this concept. If you found a bearish candle, after that you found a bullish candle. Okay, after that you found a bullish candle. 100% confirmed that there is a support and resistance level. It means the color change. When you found the color change, and everywhere there is 100% confirmed that there is a support and resistance level. Okay, if you found this in the bearish pattern, like this candle before the candle is green here, before the candle is green, this is 100% confirmed that there is a support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance means when you found a candle, when you found any level like that, there is a level. If price is from above the level and going down and reject from this level, now this level act as a support level. If you found this price is below the level and touching this level and reject from this level, it means this is the resistance now. So this level can be a support, this level can be a resistance level. So follow these levels each and every pattern on each and every candlestick, and after following this pattern, you follow the breakouts of candles. Okay. So when any level broken, the price must come back and retest the level, then goes down. So after a breakout, when a level is broken, after breaking this level, the price must go and touch the key level and then goes down. Okay, this is the concept. When any candle goes down and break a level, any level or any candlestick breakout, then price must go touch the key level, then go down. Immediately, it does not go down after breakout. So these concepts, it means you have a, if you applying these concepts, you must know about the breakout, you must know about the support and resistance lines. Okay. So in this concept, when you found you are coming from the downtrend, you are coming from the downtrend and you found bullish hammer. So color change concept, there is a support level and reject price reject from this level, it means there is a support level. So if you found this pattern, so you can understand that if there is any support or resistance level on above this candle, it in the past, so this candle will go down like that. If there is no any support and resistance level in the past, so this candle must go up. Understand? So this is the concept of these levels. If you found any level on the above on the closing price of the green candle, next candle must go down. If there is no any level, then there is no reason to go down. This will go up. Okay, price does not move without reason. It's a clear thing that price does not move without the reason. If there is a level, that price must touch this level and goes up. So there is the reason because there is a key level. So if there is no level, price will go down, 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 down. But there is a level. So when price comes reach this level, it must react 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes, or it must break level. If break, then again a reaction will happen. A breakout retest candle. After retest, it will go down. So every level can be retested, every level can be broken, and every level can be reacted on the price. So these are the same concept. So if you know about the breakout, so you can understand if any candle is broken, the key level, and after key level broken, it must go up, touch this key level, and goes down. So this is the concept. So this is the single pattern. There is no any retracement candle after this pattern. But when you found two bar candlestick pattern, we are going to the next slide. Look at this is
Sir,
this is the yes. I will
hello.
yes. You can ask question after when I clear all these things. Then you can ask question. I will answer all the question. No problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
In the two bar section, in the two bar patterns, this is a bullish thing, there's a bearish thing, and sometimes you found a piercing line, sometimes you found a dark cloud cover, and three bar, sometimes you found morning star, evening star, and the all three bar, two bar patterns, reversal patterns. After that reversal pattern, don't trade immediately. Wait for the retracement candle. The retracement candle will come down and touch this key level. Okay, after touching this key level, then that price will go up. It's a concept. Okay, brother. So don't follow the candle. Don't place a here call option here immediately because this a breakout happen here. After this breakout, price must go down and touch the key level. After touching the key level, there it will go up. So this is the concept. And if you found a retracement, or if you not found retracement, then price must touch the key level, then goes up. Without touching key level, the price does not go up. So wait for the retracement candle. Retracement candle will appear here. It will close on the key level. After the key level, the next price will go up. It's 100%. Okay, it's 100%. So if you trade on this candle is closed a bearish, weak bearish candle on the key level. So the next opportunity will you not trade because you lost your trade. After losing the trade, you cannot able to trade another trade. So that's why you always losing on the bullish things or a bearish things. So these are the same concept for each and every pattern. These are the same concepts on each and every pattern, that how you are trading these patterns. So always follow the pattern's rules. So if you don't follow the pattern's rules, these patterns will destroy you. Then you every time you will lose your money. So after bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, wait for the retracement. When retracement comes to and close on the key level, then place a trade like that. And if this key level is crossed, like here, if key level is crossed, then don't trade for the call option because key level is crossed. So now price will go up and touch this key level and goes down. So this is the main concept about the pattern trading. After that, because I cannot talk more on the anyone topic because there is short time and we have see all the pages like that. So that's why I'm moving to the next. So this is the way, how I can create the way, because when you found a bullish engulfing, after bullish engulfing, you found another slide. Look at. this slide. It means you are coming from the downtrend. You found a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, after bullish engulfing pattern, you must plot lines like support and resistance lines, like I plotted here. After plotted line, wait for the retracement candle, like here. When retracement candle is come and closed above, then wait for the call option. This is the process of the trading bullish engulfing. And this bullish engulfing can predict each and every place where it formed, not in the middle trend, in the reversal area, in the round trend, in the uptrend, everywhere this trade can be traded like this concept. There is no any other concept about the engulfing pattern. But you must follow this rule which is written in the engulfing in the book. Okay, after this, look at bearish engulfing, same concept as bullish engulfing, but you follow in the uptrend, and after uptrend this pattern will come and go. So after that, please mute your mics. As can I continue? Please mute your mic. So after that, the piercing line is the same concept as the bullish engulfing candle, but the pattern is this bullish candle is less than this bearish candle. That's why, but the 50% level must be crossed. So after 50% level, you wait for the retracement. It will come down, and again it will go up. So wait for the key level retracement candle. After pattern, each and every pattern can be traded from the retracement candle. Wait for the retracement candle. After pattern, wait for 1 minute and get confirmation from the retracement candle. After that, you place any call option or put option as per the setup. If you found any bullish, then call option, and if you found reversal pattern, bearish reversal pattern, then you can place a put option. So these are the trades, and after that, this dark cloud cover same as a piercing line. These dojis also are reliable dojis. So these are the too much values in the trading. The doji is a very strong character in our trading platform. If you found any doji, the doji give us too many information about the trading. So after doji, how we can trade. So follow the doji, follow the trend. If any doji appear, and if you are in any strong trend, follow the trend. It may be a continuation sign, it may be a reversal sign. How to identify these dojis? These are the concept of dojis, like that. So these are the concept of dojis. So if doji is appearing on the support and resistance level, the price maybe can change the direction. If there is no any support and resistance, it will be continue. And same like each and every doji, you can read the book and you will find each and every example about the dojis. So after this doji, you found the morning star, evening star. These are the same pattern to trade it. After morning star, you wait for one retracement candle. After one retracement candle, the candle will go up. If the retracement candle broke the key level, then don't trade against the trend. So these all things are the common in the each and every pattern. Look at this price. If there is a key level here, like here, so if you don't find any retracement candle or retracement candle you found which crossed the key level, so next candlestick will go down because the key level is broken. So breakout is too much necessary on each and every pattern. So understand about the breakout. So these all study I am giving in the course, everything, each and every concept I am teaching in the course, and I will give them live example in the chart. I trade them, and they people ask me 100 more than 100 daily questions about the patterns. I answer them each and every pattern, and in the end they will be a profitable trader. So these are the same concept. If you feel that this ebook is not helpful for you, it means you are not understanding the basic concept. If you clear all your basic concepts, this ebook is the very helpful for you. It can be make you a profitable trader. So these all patterns are described in each and every very clear way. So when we can place a trade and when we can not place a trade, each and everything is described very clearly. So after that, this ebook. So now you can ask me questions from about the ebook if there is any question. So some people maybe have some questions. They can ask me. Yes, brothers, ask me questions now. Hello, brothers. Now ask me questions. I think
Hello.
Sri Vastav have question. Yes.
Uh,
Hello.
Sir, after bullish engulfing,
Yes.
if we didn't see any retracement
Yes.
rejected from the key level,
Yes.
you said, sir, don't keep trade as a call, sir.
Yes. Now this is the
So
first
then why
reason.
not
Yes. Yes.
put
Yes.
there? Why not
Yes.
put there?
Okay. Can I answer now? Your
Yes,
question is
sir.
complete. Okay. So it's the thing that where you engulfing candle find. If you find this engulfing candle in the downtrend, okay. If you found this engulfing candle in the
Okay, sir.
downtrend, then the retracement must anyhow retracement candle will be coming. Okay, will be formed. Understand? If you found
Okay, sir.
this
Okay, sir.
engulfing in the uptrend, so if prices goes up, goes down, and here from price goes up, and if you find here, then it's no need to think retracement candle appear. But it come touch this key level and it goes up. So it's upon the trend. If you found in the uptrend, then retracement candle maybe most of the time does not appear because of the uptrend, because buyers are too much stronger. They touch the key level and reject the price and goes up. So that's why. But in the downtrend, you most of the time will find the retracement candle. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Next
Thank you,
question.
sir.
Next question.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
brother.
Can you show some examples on live chat?
No live chart. Not. It's only demo on the for the session. So if I go to the live chart, it will make more time because it's a 40-minute session. Again, after 40 minutes, this meeting will end. But if I in the end I have a time, then I will show you this on the live chart. No problem. But if there is any question about this book, any other can ask me. Then I will go to the live chart. If there is any,
Hello,
I have time.
hello, teacher. Hello.
Yes, 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 Abdullah.
Okay, teacher, how can I know when the retracement candle break the key level? Can I wait a rejection from the
Yes,
candle?
yes, 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 yes. Yes, brother, look at. I'm drawing the engulfing pattern and I will teach you that how you find the retracement candle is appearing. Okay?
Okay,
So
teacher.
there is a candle. You are coming from the downtrend. Okay? You are coming from the downtrend and you find a bearish candle, this bearish candle. After this bearish candle, you found this candle. It can make sense that the bullish engulfing is appeared now. Okay, in the bullish engulfing appeared, so there is the now you plot the levels. So one level there is color change level, and another level this opening price level is there. Okay, so if you find now you don't trade on the next candle, you must wait for the next candle. Okay, when the candle opens here, okay, and goes down and touch this key level and reject from this key level. Again touch this key level or cross this key level, but at the end it close on the key level. So this is the retracement candle, brother. Okay, so this is the retracement candle. As this retracement candle close, you place a call option here. The next candle will go up 100%. But if this retracement candle close like that, look at, if this retracement candle close like that, the next candle 100% goes down. Understand? So this is the key level. This is the opening price of the previous candle is the key level. So follow the key level. Okay. Another question?
Sir, I have two questions, sir.
Yes, ask me.
Sir, is there any need to analyze the market with volume also when we are going to use these patterns?
Brother, if you want to analyze the volume, that volume is too much difficult to analyze. Okay, you don't know because there is no any reading in the chart that volume is increasing or volume are decreasing. But you can, but even you found a bit, even you found this candle, and other you found this candle. it's not any confirmation that this candle volume is bigger or this candle volume is bigger. Sometimes you found too much volume in this small candle and sometimes less volume in this candle. So it's no need to understand the volume, only follow the patterns, only follow the candles. The candles always give us a message, each and every message, each and every story they tell us. Don't need to follow the volumes. Okay? Another question?
Okay, sir. Sir, another last question.
Yes.
Sir, come to doji, sir. I'm not aware about how to draw that resistance or support lines
Okay.
above that level, and some dojis are closed below that level. But I don't aware about how to draw that level exactly.
So it's necessary. It's when you go in the school and teaching about the spellings of the words. So it's necessary you understand about the ABC, A to Z. So alphabet is the necessary to understand the words. Okay. So if you understand, you want to understand the candlesticks. So key levels, the support and levels are the very necessary, very essential, very important. Without support and resistance, you cannot trade. So you uh, uh, concentrate on the support and levels, support and resistance levels is very important. Without support and resistance levels, you cannot trade. So this is a too much big topic in the support and resistance. I have more than 25 to 30 techniques about the support and resistance levels. So how can they plot? How can we understand in the market, in the running market? I don't go in the past to finding the support and resistance. In the current market, in the current pattern, in the current candle, I get the support and resistance level and I'm trading on the each and every candlestick. So it's a too much big topic about the support and resistance level. So you, if you is still not familiar about the support and resistance level, then you can join the course and you will understand in the 7 days that each and everything how can working together.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, brother. Another question, then we can go on the live chart if there is question.
Teacher, if
Okay.
the market,
Hello,
teacher,
brother. I think your sound is
teacher,
missing.
if the market is too many levels,
Yes. Brother, can you
if
repeat
the
again?
market is too many levels, can I trade this button?
Yes, too many levels. Okay.
If the market is too many levels, can I trade this button?
Just I understand that if market is too many levels, then what? Can you repeat again? Because the voice is missing from your side.
Okay, teacher. If the market is too many levels, too much levels, can I
Okay.
trade this button?
Okay. Yes. If you
Or
yes, yes, continue. Is it over? Is your question is over now? Look at.
that, teacher.
Oh, look at. If you found too many levels in the market, if something like that, these are the levels. Look at like these are the levels. Okay. So if price is coming on these levels like
Yes.
this, I'm starting from here. Okay. The price will running like this. Look at. Okay. It will go again up because it close on the levels. Okay. It again break this level. The price come to this 60 level and touch this level and goes up because each and every pattern, each and every level can be tested. Into this level, we found uh, like that, and this candle goes down, touch this level and goes up. Same for this level, it can be touched. In this little example, you follow each and every pattern is follow the support and resistance. Support and resistance level. Market is running like that. Okay? Each and every pattern, each and every candle follow the support and resistance lines. Sometimes it's touching the wick, sometimes it retracement, sometimes crossing the wick, crossing the level. So market is running like that. So you must follow this each and every level. If you leave the level so you cannot trade. Now I give you another thing, how you can trade. How what the things, what the decision you can take when while you trading. Look at. So you follow the trend, one thing. Okay, don't against go the trend. One thing trend, second thing trend, second pattern. Okay, pattern means reversal or continuation pattern. After that, follow the key levels. Key levels are support and resistance levels. Okay. After that, you found you can work on the key levels and retracement candle and rejection. Okay, retracement and rejection. If these four things you can apply on the trading platform, 90% you will win. Understand? If you don't apply, if you miss any one thing, then your trading come to the 50% success. So it's up to you how many things you can applying on the your trading setup, the trading platform. So trend, follow the trend, follow the pattern, follow the key level, follow the retracement and rejection candle. After confirmation of all these things, all these things, then you place a trade, your trade will win 90%. Okay, brother, another question? If there is any question, then I will, otherwise I continue on the chart. Okay, I think there is no question. So we are going to the chart because we have.
Sir, Prajapati has one question, sir. His mic is not working. That's why he messaged in the group.
Yes, ask.
Sir, go on hammer SNR అని చెప్పి అడుగుతున్నాడు సార్. He is asking like that.
Okay, go on the hammer SNR.
Yes, sir. See, please hammer pattern, sir. SNR, please go on hammer. My audio is not working.
Okay, we don't need to go the hammer, but I teach you here. It's not problem. So it's a bearish hammer, and this is bullish hammer. Okay, these both are the hammers. So we call this bullish hammer and we call this bearish hammer. So this bullish hammer have a level here. We have only 10 minutes, so I think I complete it, and I think I don't have time to go the live chart. So in 10 minutes I will complete this. Okay. So this hammer has one support and resistance right here. Okay. 1 minute. This hammer has support and resistance line here. Okay. And this bearish hammer has support line here. But if the color is the same before this candle, so there is we don't count this there is any support level or not there. But if you found like that, look at, if you found like that bearish candle, and after you found this hammer, it's 100% confirmed that this is the support level. Okay, so there is now two support level. If you found these both candles same color, so there is only one support level here. Okay, if you found color change, then there is a two support levels. Okay, after that, after we are trying now for the bearish hammer. Look at, if you found this bearish candle after you found a bearish hammer, so it's not necessary that there is a level. 50% may be level in the past, but it's not necessary it can be a level here, but only we can say this is the level. Okay, but if you found this hammer in the uptrend, we cannot say this is the hammer. In the uptrend we say this is the hanging man. Okay, in the hanging man, if you found before green candle like that, so it's 100% confirmed that this is the support and resistance line. Okay, now it can be acted as the SNR line. So this is the way of finding the support and resistance level from each and every candlestick, like these hammers, these hanging man, shooting star, same like this. Look at this is the shooting star, or this is the inverted hammer. If it appeared on the uptrend, then we can say this is the shooting star. But it appeared in the downtrend, we can say this is the inverted hammer. So the upper line is 100% there. This is the resistance line, and this candle, this opening price, if you found the red candle like that, so this is the support level because color change. If no color change, there is no support. Look at, if no color change, so now it's confirmed that there is no any support level here. Okay, so if you found this candle, after this candle, you found it can be you found in the middle of the trend, middle of the uptrend, or in the uptrend. So before same color candle, it suggested that there is no support level here. So it's a concept of each and every candlestick. Okay, brother. So this is all about my ebook. So I give you explanation on the ebook, how you can read and how you can apply the ebook on the market. So follow the candles, follow the key levels, follow the trend. When you follow all the things, your success rate will be in the profit and maybe increase if you follow all the rules. And if you want to join my course, come on my channel and check my students' results and their grades. Then after decide if you get certification, then you start the course. The course depends on the 7 to 10 days. In the 7 to 10 days, I will guarantee you that you will be a profitable trader in the future. So don't waste your time. Join the course because I teaching in the simple way. Each and every concept I am teaching my students. And so thanks for the, now I'm going to say thanks if you join my this session and watching. I will share this recording also. You can watch again and again and decide yourself that what are you doing in the next in the future. Okay, Allah Hafiz. And now I'm stopping this, finish this session. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.